Hello, this is Héctor Ruiz presenting for the National Genomic Characterization Program some of our work on the 2022 Mpox outbreak in Colombia. Mpox is a viral illness previously known as monkeypox. It is caused by the monkeypox virus, which is a species of the genus Orthopox virus. There are two distinct clades of the virus, clade 1 with two subclades, clade 1A and clade 1B, and clade 2 with subclades 2A and 2B. In 2022, there was a global outbreak of Mpox, which was caused by the clade 2B strain. This was a worldwide pandemic which affected all continents, and several cases were reported in Europe and in the Americas. In Colombia, the National Genomic Characterization Program, led by the National Institute of Health, INS, was charged with the genomic surveillance of the virus. The first detected cases of Mpox were sequenced through an unbiased approach, and in the metagenomic analysis, their detected reads were extracted and assembled into a genome sequence. The genome sequence was analyzed in a maximum likelihood phylogeny, which showed that the sequence belonged to clade 2B along with sequences from the 2022 outbreak. The following cases were sequenced by tiling amplicon primer schemes. We used two different schemes, one obtained from literature and one designed by INS Colombia by using primal scheme for shorter amplicons. The idea of using shorter amplicons was to improve the consistency of sequence quality because some of the samples presented low quality or degraded during transports, especially from secluded areas. The bioinformatic analysis was performed using the Arctic network tools with Arctic field bioinformatics. However, some of the participants of the genomic characterization network don't have a good bioinformatics use level, so we performed different bioinformatics trainings at different levels, some at beginner level using online tools with graphical interface, others using Linux virtual machines or Google Colab to introduce the command line, and other advanced trainings to introduce different command line tools, scripting, pipeline development, and workflow management. Through the collaboration from the National Genomic Characterization Program, we obtained 243 sequences from this outbreak, which was about 6% of the total positive cases. A very high number considering the amount of sequences required for genomic surveillance. Most sequences were obtained from larger cities where the outbreak was more important. After the amplicon sequencing and the assembly using the Arctic field bioinformatics, the lineage was assigned using Nextclade and reconstructed a phylogenetic tree using IQ-tree with maximum likelihood methods. Also, we performed phylogenomic reconstructions using NextStrain, and in these cases, we observed different lineages emerging and circulating in Colombia. Using the NextStrain tools, we observed the transmission lines, which indicated different introductions of the virus to Colombia. The first introductions were coming from Europe, mainly from UK, and later introductions happened from the United States and from South American countries such as Brazil and Peru. Three distinct lineages emerged in Colombia. Lineage B.1.10, which was a lineage whose parent was introduced from Europe, and it had an amino acid mutation in a membrane protein. This lineage was common in the outbreak in the city of Medellin. The other two lineages were detected as circulating and first detected in Colombia and then exported to other countries, lineage B.1.15 and lineage B.1.16. Transmission within the country occurred mainly between larger cities. The virus was introduced from Europe. The first city in which it was detected was Medellin. And following this, the virus was detected in Bogota and in different cities in Colombia. The most affected cities were Bogota, Medellin, and Cali. And we detected multiple introductions as different virus lineages were introduced in Medellin, and Bogota, and Cartagena. These analyses have provided context in which we can analyze cases of interest and different outbreaks which have occurred since 2022. Some of the cases have presented multiple positive tests after a long period, which could indicate a new infection with a different lineage or continued or persistent infection from the same lineage. We have also detected new introductions since 2022. In 2024, we have detected introductions of lineage B.1.20, which wasn't previously circulating in the country, and we also have evidence for the waning circulation of lineages which were previously detected in the country. The efforts of the National Genomic Characterization Program have not only shown the emergence of 3 monkeypox virus lineages in Colombia, but have also provided us with ample context to analyze future introductions of the virus or future outbreaks. It also shows that we have the capacity to attend emergencies, such as the introduction of pathogens of potential epidemic or pandemic potential. Bioinformatics knowledge and education has been essential for the functioning of the National Genomic Characterization Program, and we hope to continue these efforts of educating public health professionals in the country. Thank you.